So how hard is it starting a YouTube channel in 2019? What's going on YouTube? I'm Trey and this is the Common Advisor where I go over tips on lifestyle, reviews, and finance, and today we're talking about starting a YouTube channel in 2019. I got this question from a follower that I have, M. Laurie. Shout out to you and your YouTube channel. I'll make sure I put a link in the description below. Make sure you go support that channel. We're trying to support each other around here in the small YouTube community, and it's really helping. So the biggest thing about starting a channel in 2019 that everybody has a question about is, what do I need to start? And I'll be honest with you, that was like the biggest thing that I ever had a problem with when I was getting started with YouTube. It was, what kind of equipment should I use? So I do have a video kind of on this, but this video is a little more tailored to actually starting a YouTube. If you want to know how to grow your subscribers fast on YouTube, then you'll check out the other video. I'll probably put a card in there somewhere to link you straight over there if you are to start a YouTube and you're trying to get your subscribers up. So like I said, trying to figure out what do you want to buy and the kind of equipment that you need is like a daunting task, because if you get on YouTube and you look at trying to start a YouTube channel, they're always talking about, you know, the DSLR camera and the different kind of lighting and this and that. I'll be honest with you, you probably already have everything that you need right now. For instance, right now I'm recording on my iPhone 7. I do all my videos on my iPhone 7, and I do have a Canon DSLR, a T6. That's what I have, but it's just a big hassle. I'm not gonna lie. It's when you have a small channel, using that kind of stuff is just a really big hassle when it's not about the quality of your video, it's more of the content of your video. Now, I'm not saying that you can get on here and just have like a fuzzy video, but if it's pretty clear, and most smartphones are gonna give you that clarity, and you know your viewers can hear you and you're providing value and you're answering questions, good questions, you're pretty entertaining, man, they'll let you go with that. You don't have to go and buy this expensive camera. Another thing about the camera is those cameras are very expensive. Just think about your iPhone is probably like $1,000. That's probably about the range for an iPhone nowadays. So you paying over that for that camera when you can get the same quality from your iPhone. And then you might not even like YouTube. You know, YouTube might be too much for you. You might not be able to deal with the time that you have to put in and editing, because it takes a lot to be a YouTuber. So you don't want to invest all that money into a big fancy camera from the jump. Alright, so another thing is lighting. Now, lighting can get a little tricky because I am a believer of having good lighting. Lighting just sometimes make the video, it just makes it look better. It's always good to have natural lighting, but in a scene like I'm in right now, my light is behind me. But in some of my videos, my back is against the wall, so I still don't get, you know, a good lighting atmosphere. So what I would advise you to do is go to Amazon and look at some just simple studio lights. That's all you need, some simple studio lights and some LED light bulbs, and that'll give you exactly what you need. And by the way, all this stuff that I'm talking about, I'll make sure I leave a link in the description below so you can go check those out. You can just go straight down there and get straight to it. Alright, so before I even go on, y'all already know I like to smoke hookah. I'm drinking right now, and if you can guess what's in my cup, I will give you a shout out on my next video. If you comment below and say, hey, I bet you had this in your cup, and you get it right, I'll give you a shout out in my next video. I'll give you a hint, it is alcohol in it. Alright, so my next word of advice for people that's trying to start a YouTube channel in 2019 is knowing your niche. You gotta know what you want to talk about, and you gotta research it. Oh, for me, my niche, I would say my niche is more of make money online and digital presence. I do a lot of stuff about that, about making money online, how to make your presence in the marketing world or social world more prominent, get out there more. But I do talk about some other things here and there, but that's the main like focus of all my videos. That's the thing that you really want to do. You want to crack down and see what niche is for you. And if you don't know what a niche is, it's pretty much the category that you want to go in. So whether you like cooking or you're a mechanic and you want to do mechanical videos, that's the group and people that you're going to cater to. Now, I can say the best niches in the world on anything, whether it's affiliate marketing, you trying to get into YouTube and trying to find your niche, is going to be health, wealth, and spirituality. So all those things, those three right there, that's gonna be the best. If you want to just skyrocket and make money, or you want to get a lot of views, or you want to reach a lot of people, do those things, and I promise you those are gonna be the best ones. Now, I'm not saying that the other ones, like if you're into gardening or cooking or fishing, anything like that, I'm not saying that they're not worth trying, but those categories are some of the most searched things. People always want to know how to make more money. People always want to know how to get healthier or become fit, you know, and people are really, really big about their spirituality and spirit life, religious, stuff like that. So those are the kind of things that you want to focus on if you're just trying to get in and blow it right away. All right, so my last and final tip is networking and getting this out to your friends. When you first start your YouTube channel, you really want to go onto all your social media profiles, and it feels weird at first trying to get yourself out there, but I promise you, the more you do it, the more comfortable you'll get with this, the better your content will be, the better your flow. And you just want to push this out. You want to share it on your Facebook page, call your friends up, call your mom, call everybody you know, and say, hey, can you go check out my video? Go, you know, subscribe and follow me and like this and share this. And before you know it, you know, your family is, I'm not going to say they're going to forget about you, but, you know, they're going to give you that jump start. And then all these other people are going to start coming in, and it's just like your family just laid that foundation. So the embarrassment that you might feel from your family, feel like your family just watching you, you're not even going to think about that anymore. And they're probably not going to mention it anymore to you because they, you know, they see your growth. They're going to be like, all right, well, he's doing his thing, or she's doing her thing with the YouTube or whatever social platform you're on. So it isn't the point of bringing it up. So that's what's going to happen. At first, like I said, it's going to be kind of weird, but I promise you'll get over it the more you do it. All right, so I hope this helped you. Once again, M. Laurie, salute, man. Appreciate you for checking out my channel and my Instagram page. And if you want a shout out, or if you liked anything in this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, turn the notification bell on, and catch all this good content. And as always, you are royalty.